guys, how's it going? It's been a few days. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this environment just as much as I am. We're back here at the Halifax Rehab Center in the OT and seating department, and my chair is in the shop, and I know you're thinking, did she really break down already? I can answer that question. Yes, it did break down over the Labor Day weekend, but thankfully, it was an easy fix. I was going to bring that up in a future update video. I'll explain more about that later on. So yes, it did break down, but thankfully it was an easy fix. But it's also in the shop to have the final seating adjustment that we've been looking at for close to a year now. And it's finally getting done. They're going to be installing an air cushion in my seat that I'm sitting in. So, as you guys know, in my latest videos, I've been sitting in a red pushchair, which I like to call the red reject, because you know me, I love green, and you've seen my chairs in the past. So how about this? This is just the base chassis. This is a Helios C2 base chassis, and if you look closely, go in on that ×3 lens, look closely at the frame. Look closely, you see the sparkle in that, and then look at the carbon fiber. Doesn't get more DDE than carbon fiber. So yeah, Green Machine Minis in the works. Let's get this done.